AI research becomes more useful when the model is grounded in sources you trust. In this tutorial, we'll use a research-to-product workflow that starts with documents, turns them into a practical outline, and ends with a fact-checked digital product draft. The current official product page presents Gemini Notebook as a research and thinking partner, grounded in information you trust and built with current Gemini models. Product names, access, and features can change by account or region, so check the official page before recording a current tutorial. Start with an authorized source. That might be a document you created, a public report, a research paper, or another source you are allowed to use. Do not upload private client files or copyrighted material unless you have permission. Once your sources are ready, begin with a summary request. Ask, summarize this source in 5 key points. Use only the information in the source. Include page or section references when available. Next, ask for unanswered questions. You can say, what important questions does this source answer, and what questions does it not answer? Separate direct evidence from possible interpretations. This is a useful step because it shows you where the source is strong and where you need more research. Now move to a product question. Ask, based only on the source, suggest 3 practical digital product formats that could help a beginner apply this information. For each format, explain the audience, the intended result, and which parts are directly supported by the source. The model might suggest a checklist, a short guide, or a worksheet. Those suggestions are not facts from the source. They are product ideas based on the source. Keep that distinction clear. Create an outline next. Ask for sections, learning objectives, examples, and a final checklist. Then ask the tool to label each statement as source-supported, an example, a suggestion, or a claim that needs verification. This is where human review matters. Open the original source and compare every important claim. If the AI says that a source supports a particular number, definition, or conclusion, check the page or section yourself. If evidence is missing, remove the claim or mark it as an open question. Let's turn the outline into a simple digital product. Suppose the source is a public report about improving customer onboarding. The product could be a customer onboarding checklist. The checklist might include welcome message, account setup, first success step, support contact, and follow-up review. Those are product components, not automatically findings from the report. Keep the final product useful and honest. Explain which sections are based on the source, which sections are your own framework, and where the user should seek additional information. If the topic involves legal, medical, financial, or safety decisions, do not present a summary as professional advice. Here is the repeatable workflow: source, question, outline, verify, format, test. Start with information you are allowed to use. Ask focused questions. Separate facts from ideas. Build a small product. Compare the claims with the evidence. Then ask a real reader whether the result is clear and useful. The goal is not to make AI sound confident. The goal is to make the final product more trustworthy and easier to use. Subscribe to Prompt Payout for practical AI workflows, digital product tutorials, and real